everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you guys how to use l'article contracté in French. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Nous allons voir comment utiliser l'article contracté. Mboti na bande kuni suposa kulanda ngai lelo na ko coach bino to ko enseigner bino ndenge ni to utiliser ka article na français. Alors ndenge ba ka suposa mituna bo tindela ngai yango na osane suna répondre bino merci mingi. So guys, you see this article, the way it works, it's kind of mixed. They mix the article. I mean, we call this l'article défini. They mix it with the preposition. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how the French did it. So l'article défini, c'est combiné avec les deux prépositions les plus fréquentes. So they use a and this day. So this a is the preposition, okay? So pour donner une forme contractée, okay? So this is how I read it. L'article défini, c'est combiné avec les deux prépositions les plus fréquentes a et de pour donner une forme contractée, okay? So they use this article, okay? This one, and they mix it with this and this, okay? These are the prepositions, but I'm gonna show you guys how they do it, okay? So we have le, la, l'apostrophe, and le. This one are the in English. All this in English equal the. Okay, in English, that's it. Except when you have the vowel, the it could become d. Because, for example, if for example I say the apple, I don't say the apple, the apple, because the vowel is there. That's why I change the sound. Okay, so la preposition, okay, this one, we call this the preposition, okay? So when we come here, so the way it works in French, when they add this a plus le, it gives o. Je vais au Canada, je vais au Maroc, je vais au Congo. Du au, je vais aux États-Unis. Okay? Du pain. Okay? But be careful. In this case, it's not l'article partitif. No, it's different. A little bit different here. Be careful. Here is different. Okay? It's not l'article partitif. No, it's a little bit different here. The story is a little bit different here. Okay? So we come here, for example, Pauline part au Canada. Paulin part au Congo. Caroline va au marché tous les matins. Gulin parle de la pluie et du beau temps. This one, this sound like O. You have to be careful when you read that, okay? Don't get confused. You see, when you see like this O, you see this O, you see this one, okay? Don't get confused, my friends. Do not get confused. If you're gonna say all of them is O, fine, I'm gonna understand. After, when your levels up, you're gonna know the differences, because when you take a look, we got O here, we got this O, we got this O. Je vais au Canada. When you look at here, this one, we will also have like O here, but the problem is the sound is different, you see. So I'm gonna go back again. So otali bien. Moni o était sonné lokola. Moni o était sonné lokola o. So ko ye awa 0 oyo, is mona lokola o pe était sonné lokola o. we have also another O. Guys, you see, for example, this. Je vais aux États-Unis. We use this one. Je vais aux États-Unis because there's a lot of states. Case for Holland, Netherlands. I'm not gonna use this one. No. When you say in French, for example, in French you say je vais au Maroc. I'm gonna use this. Je vais aux États-Unis. I use this one. Je vais aux Pays-Bas. I use this one. Not this. Je vais Gulin est allé au Japon. I use this one. Okay? So I'm gonna go one more time. Pauline part au Canada. Paulin part au Congo. Caroline va au marché tous les matins. Gulin parle de la pluie et du bon temps. Okay? We come here. Gulin revient du Congo. Gulin revient du Congo. C'est la fille du président. C'est la fille du président. Annie part aux Pays-Bas. In this case, I'm talking about Netherlands. Holland. Okay? Annie part aux Pays-Bas. Polo part aux États-Unis. You see when I say Polo, you see this one? It's not French name. It's Lingala. Okay? In Lingala, Paul, we say Polo. In French, we say Paul. So in this case, when I say Polo, it's not French. Okay? This one. It's the same Paul. Okay? This one. When I say Paul, it's in English. Paul, French. Polo. This one is Lingala. So if I say Polo part aux États-Unis. If I say, I want to say this in French, Paul part aux États-Unis. Alors, il y en a solo. Mon est Lingala. So now be Polo part aux États-Unis. Polo one is a Lingala. Nangle Paul to Polo to benga ngo Paul. Paul. Okomona accent nangese mata mwalikolo. Paul. Paul. Oyo is sunilo kola ome to stress ango. To stress ango mamuki yangone matinde wana, okay? So we kind of like stress that a little bit. That's why the sound change. We say Paul. Paul. You see that? Paul. We stress the vowel. Paulin part au Maroc. Paulin part au Maroc. Annie parle. Annie parle aux oiseaux. This one, we combine it. So don't forget, when you see like this, means sound like that. Okay? So, Annie parle aux oiseaux. Okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today.